think is one of the most beautiful states in our nation. It has it all. It has creeks, lakes, farms, everything. It's just a beautiful ride, just getting out and trying new roads and just go and see where it takes you. We always have fun and enjoy our trips.
You want to pull over to the side and let those cars ahead of them?
Yeah.
Got nice straights right there. Just
Yeah.
slow down here a little bit.
There's only that one truck, isn't there?
I'll just,
I can't find it from here, so it wasn't even close.
because I'm just kind of taking my time and enjoying the scenery. So.
Yeah. That's what I was doing looking. I didn't
What?
even know he was back here. He must have just got behind us.
Is your mic in the wrong spot again?
Yeah, it keeps falling down.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
I don't know why it's falling down. I ain't touching it.
Well, it's vibration, gravity. Which way?
I don't know. Go left.
Left?
Yeah.
One of the things that we like to do is just getting out and for the day and nowhere particular, just ride. Do we want to go
514.
right? Do we want to go left?
Yep.
It's just
Eye
fun to get
byway.
out and explore the great state of Ohio. Today we got a little lucky. We hit 514, which takes us back to Nashville, Ohio. It's just a nice time to get out and see where we can head and where we can stop. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.